Hey guys, and welcome to yet another Top Table Gaming YouTube video. This is another unboxing video, and again it's another sneak peek, really early peek of a product from forgeworld that's not yet been released for Middle Earth SBG, and it's the Dol Amroth Foot. Let's go and have a look. So here we are guys, the very much anticipated unboxing of the Foot of Dol Amroth. Since seeing these guys, the sneak peek that we got, I think it was at Warhammer Fest, if I remember correctly. I've really been keen to get my hands on these. They blew me away from what I see. I mean, obviously the forgeworld paint job helps that immensely, but the models themselves, just seeing them in the bare resin, yeah, I was really impressed. And now I have actually got my hands on some. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get these guys painted up and probably buy another pack. These were released earlier at Ardicon and it was only one pack per person, so unfortunately I could only buy the one pack this time, but I'm not complaining. I'm just happy that I got these. You get 6 knights in the pack, all different poses, which is cool, and a few different options which I'll go through with you now. So to start with, I will show you the main bodies. Yeah, really crisp detail. Can you see that in the chainmail, and the winged kind of thigh protectors? Really nice, as you'd expect from forgeworld, as we've become accustomed to and we're getting spoilt with. You know, the sculpts are always really nice. So that's 2 of the body poses. That's the second of 3. Again, much like the other, just slightly different leg position. Nice crisp creases in the cloth. And then the final of the 3 body sprues. Really nice. Again, just that chainmail is like, it's kind of mind-blowing when you're looking at it, just how crisp the detail is. They're really nice. From there we'll move on to the shields, and as you got with, you know, the old metals and plastics, you get some different designs on the shields, which is nice because it just sort of breaks things up. You actually get 8 shields, so you've got extras. I'm not sure what the reasoning behind that is. Maybe it's just different arm positions, but double-sided. As you can see, they've got the wooden detail with it, even with like the grain in the wood. Is that picking that up? You know, that's really nice. That's a really nice touch. That's cool. And the second lot of shields, again, all nice and different. Just as much detail in those. Really cool. From there I'll move on to the banner, because you do get a banner option. You don't have to. You can just have 6 knights with no banner, but the banner's there just in case. And the detail on the banner is bang on. It's even got the designs in the mould, which is nice. So you can get nice, neat, really classy looking emblems on your banner without having to be an artist when it comes to freehand, so that's always good. What have we got on this sprue? This looks like shoulder pads. Yeah, these look like they're going to be a lot of fun to put together. A lot of fun. So let's see. Oh, we've got another shield there, and what looks like could be Captain's sword arm, and the war horn. Again with the detail already on the fabric, and again just like the banner, you don't have to take a war horn. There's enough bits to make 6 just normal knights with swords and shields, but the options there should you wish to use it. There we have an arm and an arm with a sword. The arm looks like that's going to be what holds the banner if you choose. And then some more sword options. A lot of detail in the swords, as you can see, which is nice. Just the detailing on the elbow armour as well. Start picking that up. It's really nice. Again, some more swords. These are going to be a joy to paint. I seriously cannot wait. And then we have this sprue, which has 2 heads and 2 shoulders, I think it is. I was never a massive fan of the Dol Amroth helmets. I thought the wings were too big, especially on the metal ones. They've made them smaller like they did on the plastics with these, which is a lot better, a lot more sort of realistic. 4 more heads. And I don't know if you can see that, but there is different facial expressions within the helmets. You see that? That's really cool. And then these are what I like. I need to get me some more of these. These are the Helmed Hats, which for someone like myself who does a lot of conversions are absolutely perfect. I can see these being used on a lot of other models other than Dol Amroth. And that is the Dol Amroth unboxing. Have any of you guys already got these? Are you looking to get them? What are you going to do conversion wise? Have you got any special ideas that you've been thinking of that you can motivate me with? I always like to have my miniatures look a little bit different than everybody else's. So yeah, let us know. Comment below. Let us know what you think of the models. Kind of let us know what you think, whether there might be some new rule changes in the new rules which are sort of imminent. And I'll look forward to chatting to you in the comments below. So take care guys, and keep on gaming.